Okay, welcome to the holiday gift guide video. I thought a good option for gifts under $100 to start off was this Martin guitar. Just kidding, I was just jamming out, playing some Christmas tunes, and I was like, let's do a video. So let's get into it. Let me put this away. Okay, welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Roger saying thanks for dropping in. Today we're going to talk about 20 tech gifts for under $100. It's that time of year to spend money on those you love, or maybe you just want to give something to so that you don't show up empty-handed. Hopefully there's value for you in this video, but let's get into it here. Okay, in the number one spot, I'm going to kick off on a high note. It's this screen cleaner kit right here. I've seen these online and I was like, I've got to try it out finally, I guess. And I did, and I'm so glad I did. But it's this screen cleaning kit. It actually comes in a 2-pack. And the way this works is there's a spray bottle inside, so I could spray. And as it's on there, I can use the side as a microfiber cloth and wipe down. And it's clean just like that. But most importantly, how many blurry photos do you get of people because of fingerprints? Use that again, clean off the lenses, throw this back in here, put this in your bag, and you're good to go. Okay, next up is the Joby BMO Real LED light. If you twist this, it turns on, and that is really bright. But yeah, you can decrease the light by turning it back. But I have this on this tripod mount from Joby as well, and it just screws right on there. It's a fun little setup just to have on your desk. You see how that's giving me like a nice glow there? Like you could literally use this as a YouTube light, have a couple of these, and that's so bright, my goodness. Okay, next up is for AirPod Max users. This is a charging stand for your AirPods. How many times do you have to put the AirPods in the bra and then you go charge it and then you have to undo that whole thing again? What if you plug in this lightning magnet connector into the bottom and you use your AirPods Max, and then when you're done, you take them off, set them right there, and it charges. And the next time I need them, I could just take them and use them again. I'm like, come on, Apple, why didn't you think of this? This is awesome. Specifically here for iPhone 15 Pro is from Freewell. You get the Freewell case here so that you can have the mounts on there. And then this is the gift right here. It's a blue anamorphic 1.33 times anamorphic lens. This is not your ordinary anamorphic lens. Like, check out the size on that. But what you can do is you could screw this on the back. And so now you can shoot anamorphic video, which is so cool. It pretty much captures a squeezed image, so everything from left to right. Then using an app like Blackmagic's camera app, you can actually de-squeeze that and get that nice anamorphic footage. Next up, this isn't like tech that you think of like when you think of tech. This is more people in the tech community would know Nomatic. Nomatic is a lifestyle company and they produce good stuff. So I wanted to feature them as well. So this next one is packing cubes from Nomatic. You cannot go wrong with packing cubes. And it's great for your luggage. Is you have like a bunch of packing cubes and you pack your clothes and your accessories in there, and your luggage just isn't bunched with everything in there. You can see it also expands and collapses. So you need it bigger, it can be bigger. And also, this fits. I probably put like 8 cut shirts in here before. And like, how many shirts do you need for a trip, right? So 8 shirts, and I've traveled with 8 shirts, and it's packed tight in just this right here. So packing cubes from Nomatic. And special shout out to Cut. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. Did I make the cut yet? Come on. Come on, Borelli. Did I make the cut? Next up is this Anker USB-C to USB-C cable. It's bio-braided. It's fast charge capable, and it's 10 feet long. So USB to USB-C, say you're traveling and you're in your hotel room and you want to plug in your phone while you're using it in bed, because let's be real, that's probably where you're watching this right now. This cable specifically is a staple in my travel bag. I just leave it in my travel gear so I could have that with me. Also, while we're talking about Anker, this is the Anker Nano charging station. You have these 2 ports up here. You got a couple of USB-As and a couple of USB-Cs, but this USB-C right here, you could actually charge your computer with. And look how flat that profile is. I love this for traveling because of the flat profile. It looks sleek, it looks good. Again, this is another piece that goes permanently in my travel bag with me. Okay, one more Anker, I promise. This isn't even sponsored by Anker. Anker, hit up your boy. This is the Anker Cube. This is the cables for it and stuff. But this cube is awesome because you can charge your AirPods or your phone on the top here. You can then fold it up. You could charge your phone on there. You put your AirPods back here. You could also pull this out and charge your Apple Watch there. This is a 3-in-1 charger. I recommend this. I actually can't remember off the top of my mind if this is over or under $100, but let's put this in the gift guide this year. Check that out. Next is the Condor Blue HDMI to USB-C capture card. This thing is cool because what you can do is if you have HDMI out from your camera and you want to monitor it, what I do is I plug the HDMI into here, I plug the USB-C into my Mac, and I use QuickTime to monitor my footage using my Mac. There's obviously like a lot of other use cases, but that's what I would specifically use it for, so I recommend this cable right here. Okay, next up is Moft. I'm like so stoked about Moft right now. They make these awesome MagSafe attachments for iPhone, iPad. They make great accessories. I have 2 of them here. This is a wallet, MagSafe wallet, but the thing about them and their culture is that all of their products are based on origami. So if you pull this down, you see how that folds into a stand. And if you want to charge your phone or use it on your nightstand, you can go that way, plug in your USB-C. It looks really cool. Accessory number 2 from Moft is a travel tripod. Isn't that crazy? Look how slim that is. So how this works is I'm going to attach it on there, and I'm going to pull this flap down. Don't blink. I can now use it as a tripod to take pictures. I could use it to watch movies with. I could use it for FaceTime, anything. It's really compact and pretty sweet. It's a tripod. That's wild how compact it is. Okay, we're halfway through. You still with me? Thanks for sticking around. This is gonna be fun. We still got a few more things to do. AirTags aren't obvious, but this AirTag accessory right here is one of my favorite ones. This comes to us from Tag Vault. It's an AirTag strap mount. What you can do is you can secure this AirTag in here. I could put it on the strap of like a backpack or inside my bag, which I have done, and then you mount this back piece to the other side and it stays in place. It becomes part of the fabric, it becomes part of the bag, it becomes part of your stuff. And I have them hidden in like different bags too, not just on the strap, but like hidden in areas, just in case if I lose my bag or some angry elf takes it, I could track my bag. So the Tag Vault. Speaking of AirTags, we're gonna go to my friends over at Orbit Key. Shout out to Kirk, you're a great man. This is an AirTag, as you're aware, but this AirTag leather key holder is awesome because the way this works is, obviously it's a keychain, but it's very simple. I squeeze, drop in my AirTag, and there you go, that beautiful AirTag case. Okay, while we're on the topic of Orbit Key, I love their stuff. This is their leather key organizer. It's a little dinged up because I obviously use it. I mean, this is proof that I use it, so there's that. But also inside, that's an additional purchase, so not part of the leather key holder, is this multi-tool that they have here. I got a bunch of these one year, and these were stocking stuffers that I gave to people, but there's a ruler, there's a flathead screwdriver on the top, there is a Phillips on the other side, a small Phillips, and if you need a can opener, there's a can opener as well. And you can use this thin, sharper piece as a box opener as well. So that's a great multi-tool. I have it tucked inside the leather key holder. That is from Orbit Key. Okay, Logitech Crayon. If you don't want to do the Apple Pencil 2 or 2 USB-C or whatever it is, and you need something a little more ergonomically friendly, that's thicker, this is actually a really cool pencil for the iPad. It works on Bluetooth, so you switch it on, and then you can start writing. I have no idea how the magic works, but I just turn it on and it works. I thought I had to connect it or something. But with all things that are USB-C, this charges by USB-C as well. But this is a great tool for those artists out there that want just a different experience with their Apple Pencil. It's really nice being a little thicker. It's almost like those construction pencils that are flat, really good to write with. This is an iPad stand. But how this works is that it's a magnetic. So I have my iPad here and all I do is attach it and it stays there. So I can do this, I could do this, it's really stiff too, which is good. I could even turn it that way. Next, coming to us from 12 South, is this MagSafe charger. So you actually have to provide your own MagSafe charging back there. But what's cool about this stand here is I saw it in the Apple iPhone 15 Pro videos. It's like, I gotta have it. but it's nice. It's a nice base because I could just have my phone like that. And then I could also have my phone like that at night, and it charges. It just sits on my nightstand. It tells me the time. It tells me any notifications that I want to get. But it's just a nice bedroom companion there. Nice bedside companion. Okay, we're almost there. I feel like David Letterman putting things under my desk as we talk about it. This is a used wallet now. It's not the cleanest wallet in the world because I use this. But the Bellroy wallet is my favorite. Check that out. Because of these curves here, it slides in and out of my back pocket easily. It's a hard case, so I'm not pressing the buttons on my Bluetooth tracker. But when I open it, I have cards here that I use more frequently. I store cards over here and my ID on this side and cash that I use less frequently. And it's very slim. I've probably got like 3, 4, I have 5 cards in there. And there's probably still space for more. But the Bellroy wallet, one of the best wallets I've ever used. We're getting to the end. This is for those premium people out there. Also, I'm breaking the rules. I don't remember how much any of this is, but these are premium Grove made products. And so they're gonna be a little on the higher end, but they're really nice. This is an iPad stand. This is a laptop stand, and this is a pencil or, like holder. Put your pencils and crayons in there. There's that. And I totally didn't even think about it. This is a Grove made desk mat right here. They make premium stuff. I think if you want to get a little more premium of a gift, Grove made is awesome. I mean, just take a look at it. Go check out their website. I'll have a link to them. I have a link for all of them to check out their stuff. And yet nobody's sponsoring this video. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Okay, last one. You ready? Drum roll, please. I'm hiding this over here. Any tech enthusiast knows this is such a wonderful gift. Reusable Velcro cable ties. No joke. Cleaning up those cables at your desk, behind your TV, in the bathroom, anywhere. Reusable cable ties that are Velcro. This is a must-have. This, honestly, these 2 things right here, I think are probably my highest recommended gifts because the barrier is low on how much they cost and they're awesome products. And those are my 20 tech gift recommendations under $100. But wait, if you made it this far, I've got 3 honorable mentions. For those people that want to get the best gift, you want to know what I would highly recommend to get for people? Let me get them. I have 3 things for you. One is the DJI mic. You get 2 mics and a receiver. This is a great gift. Honorable mention, way above $100, but a really cool tech gift. I'd recommend that. I'd also recommend this thing that I made and I put together. And thank you for all of you that have watched the videos so far, but this rig for the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max that can record externally, this rig right here, I'll have a video for it in the link in the description here, but this iPhone rig right here, I highly recommend. And then last but not least, to no surprise, the big dog on the block, the one that everyone's talking about. This is the Tickle Me Elmo of tech adults. Like, I think this is the creme de la creme because it's so hard to get now from what I'm seeing. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is my 3rd honorable mention. Okay, those are honorable mentions. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it gave you some ideas. I'll have links to all of these in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and for swinging by. If you found value in this video though, what you can do to help me out is not only if you don't purchase from the affiliate links down below, if you could like or subscribe or share this video, it would really mean a lot to me as I'm really excited about this YouTube journey and this tech journey and this camera journey and just this fun journey when the lights go down in the city. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.